I just discovered a video platform that monetizes you immediately you join. That is, immediately you register on this platform, you are earning. All right. No 1,000 subscribers needed and no 4,000 watch hours needed. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you set up your account on this platform I'm about to share with you. So if this is your first time of coming across my video, hello, you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video. Also, subscribe to my channel for more updates because over here, we share updates on how to grow our channel and get monetized here on YouTube and other platforms. And also turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've posted a new video. Now, the name of this platform or app is called Rumble. Now, Rumble is not well known in Nigeria and other African countries. So you have to make use of this opportunity. You have to hop in immediately because trust me, after a while, this will might come up with new policies on how you can get accepted into their monetization program. So make use of this opportunity and quickly go and set up your channel and start uploading videos to make money on this platform. Now, here on YouTube, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you will be eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Now, sometimes even when you got eligible, you will not be able to monetize or you will not get accepted into YouTube Partner Program based on one issue or the other. Like for me, I applied first and I got an issue, and thank God I was able to resolve the issue. Then once you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you still need to put in more efforts before YouTube can take your videos out to a wider audience. You all know that some AI content are not monetizable here on YouTube, but on Rumble, you can monetize any AI content. You can upload any AI content and get monetized on Rumble and start making money. Over there, AI content is one of the most searchable content on Rumble. So if you're an AI creator, this is an advantage for you to make money on Rumble. Before you earn a dime on YouTube, you have to put in the work and all the efforts before you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Now, on the other hand, this platform is not so. Immediately you register on this platform, you are earning. You are making your money in dollars. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how to set up your own channel, how to go about everything, how to upload your video, and you start earning. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be registering a new account to teach you people how to register on Rumble. Mind you, there's an app and there's a website for you to do all of this one. You can go to your Google Play Store and or your Apple Play Store and download the app to your phone. But for a better experience of registration and verification of phone numbers, I would prefer that you use the site for a better experience. All right. So now the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you are using and type Rumble. Once you type Rumble, you click on the first one and it will appear like this. Once it appears like this, you click on Rumble again, the first one. So once you are logged in, you are going to see sign up and sign in. If you have an existing account, of course, you click on sign in. If you don't have any existing account, you go ahead and click on this sign up here. So once you click on sign up, go ahead and input your email and then choose your birth month, input your birthday, the year that you were born, and every necessary thing that you need to add. All right. So once you input all your data, you go ahead and click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. All you need to do is to click on verify you are a human. Just click on it. So once you verify, you click on that verify that you're human, they'll bring you to another interface like this. All you need to do is to fill in all the information here, put in your username, your gender, your country, and the rest of the things. So please make sure when you're filling the username, make sure the usernames are together. For example, if you want to fill in Peter and Grace, put the Peter and Grace together, don't separate it. All right. So once you are done, you click on this verify you're human again. You tick the box. So once you are done with that, they will bring you to an interface like this where you need to put a strong password so that in case when you want to log in, it will be easier for you to log in. All right. Okay, make sure you put in a strong password that you can remember to log in anytime. All right. So once you are done inputting your password, you click on next. So once you click on next, they're going to bring you to an interface like this again. Then enter the code we sent to your email. Now they're going to send you an email. Do you understand? So all you need to do is to go to your email and get the code that they have sent for you. Put the code, you click on next. All right. Now immediately you click on next, they are going to open up a dashboard for you. Then means you are done with the registration. All right. Once you complete the whole registration process, your dashboard is going to show like this. Now once you are here, this is where the main work starts. All right. Now I'm going to be telling you what to do next. All right, so now the next thing you need to do is to click on this place and then click here, the three line here, and then you have to set up your channel. Do you understand? Now for you to set up your channel, you have to start by putting on a profile picture, putting on your channel banner and the rest of the things. You can do all those things here. All right, now for you to put in your profile, you have to click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, you're going to click on profile. All right, once you click on profile, an interface like this will pump out. Now I'm not going to be adding any of my details because I already have an existing account of which my account is verified and everything is okay. I'm just showing you guys the process for you to do every single thing. All right, so I'm not going to be registering on this my new account yet, or until I see the need to do it. Do you understand? So go ahead and click on this place. Once you click on this place, it's going to take you back to your gallery. You have to fix in your profile picture. You choose any picture of your choice that you can input there. Do you understand? Now I don't want to input my picture because my face is already showing on one of my other accounts, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Now here you have to write your channel description, what you are doing on your channel. Do you understand? Write your channel description. If you don't know how to get a good description like the way we used to do on YouTube, now just go to your chat GTP and get a good description for your channel. You can add in your socials, your Facebook URL link, your Twitter, your Instagram, and every other thing you have to add on your profile to make your profile so professional. Do you get? So once you're done with that, you click on this place again. You click on account settings. Once you click on your account settings, go ahead and input all the informations that are showing here: your full name, your phone number, indicates whether you're a male or female. You've indicated all of those on your age, your birthday, the city, the the city, the postal code of your area, and the rest of the things. Just go ahead, take your time and fill in all these informations here. Okay. Then one important thing I have to tell you people is that before you start uploading videos on Rumble, you have to verify your account. Without you verifying your account, you will not be able to get access to be monetized. You will not be monetized, so you have to verify your channel. That is where the problem comes in. I observe that some people are finding it difficult to do their verification on Rumble. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can verify your account, but I'm going to be dropping a separate video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to be dropping a separate video on how you can verify your account successfully, even in Nigeria or any African country. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this your profile again. Once you upload a profile picture, your profile picture will be showing here, this place. Now once you click on this place, go ahead and click on the three line again. Go ahead and click on the three line. Once you click on the three line, you will see verification. Go ahead and click on verification. All right, so now it is body routine, your account status. This account is not verified yet. Now some features may be limited or unavailable if your account is not verified. Number one feature that will be unavailable is upload videos and use live stream. You cannot upload videos, you cannot do live streaming on this app if your account is not verified. Number two, make money and cash out your earnings. Do you understand? You cannot make money and cash out your money if your account is not verified. Now, leave comments on videos. Like, if your account is not verified, you cannot leave comment like the way we used to do now. Like, as you're watching this video, you might like to leave comments, madam, I don't understand this place. You cannot drop comments on Rumble. Any video you see on Rumble, you will not be able to drop comments if your account is not verified. Now, the last one is vote for videos and comments. Like, engaging on anybody's video, like want to vote for something, you will not be able to do all those activities. Do you understand? And do all those things makes Rumble to recommend your videos. Do you understand? So just like the way if people engage on your videos, if you comment on people's video, YouTube will see that you're active on their platform and they will be able to recommend your videos to a wider audience. You will not be able to do all those things if your account is not verified. Do you understand? They will see you as inactive person, that you're not a serious person. You understand? So before you can do anything on Rumble, you have to verify your account. Now, there are two ways for you to verify your account on Rumble, of which I'm going to be telling you in my next video. So don't miss my next video. All right. Mind you, Nigerians cannot verify their Rumble account with a Nigerian number. Do you understand? You cannot, of which I'm going to be passing information to you in my next video. You can only verify with a US or a UK phone number. Do you understand? And two accounts cannot use that one number to verify a Rumble account. So you must get one phone number, a US or a UK phone number, to verify, for you to be able to verify your Rumble account. Do you understand? Hope that point is established, guys. So now let me show you guys how you can upload a video. Do you understand? If you want to upload a video on Rumble, in case your account get verified, I'm going to be dropping the video on how to verify your account. Very simply, with 450 naira, you'll be able to verify your Rumble account. I have done it in my other account, of which I'm going to be sharing with you towards the end of this video. So if you want to upload the video, you click on this plus button here. Once you click on this plus button, you are going to see upload and go live. You click on upload since we want to upload a video. Once you click on upload, an interface will show like this, just like as you can see, welcome to Rumble Grace Millions. Let's figure out what content you are into. So you go ahead and click on find interest. You click on any content that you'll be interested in for Rumble to be recommending to you. Let's say finance and crypto, entertainment, podcasts, anyone that you would want to. Just click on it and then you click on. So once you click on next, they are going to bring you to an interface like this again. Alright, here are some creators that you may like. Just click on any one that you would like to follow. That's just all. Just click on anyone, then click on next. So once you click on next, they are going to bring you back to this interface again. Once they bring you back to this interface, click on this place like this. Once you click on this, they are going to take you to your gallery. Go ahead and click on any video that you want to upload. I click another video and it's worked. Do you understand? Sometimes it might be network though. So I clicked on another video and it worked. As you can see, let's see if it will upload. So as you can see, the video is here already. Put in your title, your video description, and then choose the category, make use of the tags, the related videos, and the rest. Of put it on public, or if you want to schedule it, you can schedule it as well. Then you click on upload. Do you understand? I just to show you something here. Okay, you cannot upload without a title. So this is another important place you need to take note of, please. Now once you click on upload, this place will show up. Now what does this mean? These are the license that you want to give to Rumble on where to share your videos to. Do you understand? Now if you are a content creator on YouTube, please click the one that will favor you, because if you give Rumble access or license to upload your video to every social media platform, if you upload that same video on that platform, you are going to have problem or issues. For example, if you give Rumble the access to upload your video on YouTube, and if they peradventure upload it and YouTube sees it, of course they're going to give you a copyright. Do you understand? Because you have uploaded, then they will come and upload. It might affect your channel. So this place is very, very important when you want to give Rumble license. All right, now the first one says video management exclusive. Do you understand? Video management exclusive. That means that they can, Rumble has access to post your video, because that is where they are getting views from. Once somebody posts their video on Rumble, they'll post it on other social media platforms to drive traffic to that particular video. Do you understand? You are giving, if you click on this first one, you're giving Rumble the license to post your videos anywhere. Do you understand? Now the second one says video management exclusive YouTube. Like, you're telling Rumble that you can post my video on any other platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere, but don't post it on YouTube. Do you understand? Especially if you want to upload the videos that you are uploading on YouTube, please click this place. Video management excluding YouTube, that they should not post your videos on YouTube. Do you understand? Now the second one says only Rumble. Like, if you give Rumble this access, Rumble is going to post your videos only on Rumble. Do you get? But this one is not advisable though if you want to make money on Rumble. Do you understand? Click on, for me, I will click on video management exclusive YouTube, because I don't want them to post those videos on YouTube, because that is my second channel I'm uploading. Any video I upload on that my second channel, I used to upload it on this my channel that has been verified. So I don't want it to be uploaded to my main, to Rumble. Do you understand? So you can go with any one of your choice. Do you understand? You can upload it, you can go with them uploading your videos only on Rumble. That is where the video will end. Maybe that is why some of us are not getting views, because we choose this Rumble only, that traffic is not coming from any source. Do you understand? So if you want to make money probably on Rumble, go with video management exclusive YouTube. Except you are somebody that uploads your video on Facebook, and choose only Rumble. Do you understand? Then the second one says personal use, not monetize. Some people might have clicked this one unknowingly to them. That is why they are not making money, and they start complaining this one, that one. So if you want to upload a video, please be careful of what you choose here, because every single time you want to upload a video, this interface will pump up. Do you understand? So carefully choose the one that you want to be going with, that you want to give license to Rumble to use. Do you understand? Because that's your license. They cannot choose where your videos will be uploaded to, or your videos will be shown to. Do you understand? So that is how it is. So carefully choose any area here, and then you click on these two places, tick on it, then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, your videos will be uploaded. Do you understand? Your videos will be uploaded, and you start earning, or you start making money on Rumble. So guys, this is my main account. So I think I've uploaded 2 videos here, and then I've gotten up to 27 views on this my main channel, and then I've not made a dime here. That's the truth. I've not made any money here. Let me don't even come and lie. I've not made any money here. And then you click on this, you click on dashboard, sorry, you click on your profile, you click on account setting, then you click this 3 line here. Once you click on this 3 line, you see verification. Remember, that's where I show you on how to verify your account. You click on verification. Now, do you see my account is verified? Do you understand? The place is ticked, everywhere is ticked, that I can make money with my Rumble videos and the rest of them. I use a UK account number to verify my account. Do you understand? So my main account is verified, and I've uploaded videos so far on my Rumble account, but I have not made money. So once I start making money, I will still come and share with you guys. Maybe I will still do research on how to make money on Rumble. Then once I've implemented it on my channel and I've started making money, I will still come back and share with you guys. So hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share this video to your family and friends. Let them come and benefit from this new way to earn without struggling to get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.